A public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a conveyed library with a proclaimed throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph cryptographic money HBAR, as well as a help for brilliant agreements and record stockpiling. Furthermore, there are as of now more than 3 dozen applications previously working on its premise. The hash calculation was created and licensed in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation freedoms are possessed by Swirlds, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirlds' innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the Public Credit Association Affiliation (CUNA) and Mountain West Credit Association Affiliation (MWCUA), which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirlds to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the task into a different stage. Hedera Hashgraph stage. Swirlds conceded Hedera Hashgraph a selective permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Hedera will be $0.119988. The greatest level that the HBAR cost can reach is $0.139986. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.129987. Possible return for money invested, 62.8% by HBAR value conjecture for February 2023, in view of the value changes of Hedera toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical HBAR pace of $0.09099909 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.0829917 and at $0.0939906 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 9.3% by WAC 2023. Hedera Value Conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the HBAR cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0899991, while the most extreme could reach $0.0979902 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Hedera may be around $0.0939906. Possible return on initial capital investment, 13.9% by HBAR value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Hedera in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal HBAR rate they foresee may be around $0.0979902 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.0929907 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.09999. Possible return on initial capital investment, 16.3% by May 2023. Hedera Value Conjecture around mid-year 2023. The HBAR cost will be exchanged at $0.09999 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to $0.1099899. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0969903 in May 2023. Possible return for money invested, 27.9% by HBAR value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Hedera costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.09999. The least and pinnacle HBAR rates may be $0.09999 and $0.1099899. Possible return for money invested, 27.9% by July 2023. Hedera Value Conjecture crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the HBAR cost will be around $0.1099899. In July 2023, the Hedera cost might drop to at least $0.09999. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.1199888 in July 2023. Possible return for money invested, 39.5% by HBAR value estimate for August 2023. Having examined Hedera costs, digital currency specialists expect that the HBAR rate could arrive at a limit of $0.1199888 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0.1099899. For August 2023, The gauge normal of Hedera is almost $0.109989. Possible return for capital invested, 39.5% by September 2023. Hedera value figure around mid-2023. The Hedera cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.119988. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the HBAR cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.109989 and $0.119988. Possible return on initial capital investment, 39.5% by HBAR value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Hedera worth won't dip under at least $0.119988. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0.129987. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.119988. Possible return for capital invested, 51.1% by November 2023. Hedera value estimate digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of HBAR costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Hedera will be around $0.129987, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.119988. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.119988. Likely return for money invested, 51.1% by HBAR value conjecture for December 2023. In view of the value variances of Hedera toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical HBAR pace of $0.129987 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.119988 and at $0.139986 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 62.8% by Hedera value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Hedera will be around $0.179982. The most extreme expected HBAR cost might be around $0.219978. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.179982 in 2024. Hedera value expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2025, HBAR is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.269973 and $0.309969 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.269973. Hedera value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Hedera and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base HBAR cost could drop to $0.39996.